Hello Connect. So in this video I want to share how you can implement rate limiting in Express app. So basically I'm using the sliding window algorithm to implement the rate limiting, and if you ask me why rate limiting is required, I would say to prevent cyber attacks and to implement denial of service, like when a hacker wants to access your website for a lot of times than expected. And like, or else if you have some custom implementation, like suppose we own a pizza shop and you want to restrict the user that user can order only 2 pizzas in time frame of 10 minutes. So how do you give this to your client? This can be done using the rate limiting. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough on how we can achieve this in Express. So for now I'm using a request map, and it's an in-memory storage, but you can convert it into a Mongo or any other database. And then I'm writing a rate limiter middleware which we will use for all the requests. So this is a middleware which is taking window size of 60,000 ms and a maximum request of 2 minutes. I'll explain you all of this. So I'm returning a middleware which taking a request, response, and next. So first thing which I'm doing is to extract the IP address from the request, and I'm storing it in IP const. And let's say if the request map is not having this IP address, I am creating a new key value pair in this request map with key as IP and value as an empty array. This will store the number of requests which was hit by this particular IP address. So now let's assume the current time is 2 p.m. So this date.now returns 2 p.m. now, and what I'm trying to do is I'm gonna try to get a window size of window size of whatever specified over here. Let's say the window size I am assuming is 10 minutes and the current time is 2 p.m. and when I do this time now minus the window size, I'll get this current window size of 150 to 2 p.m. So what I'm checking is, in this time period of 150 to 2 p.m. window, how many requests were made by the user, and if the requests exceed more than 2, then I'm sending a 429 too many requests and try it in after so and so seconds. Or so let's say if the request which was made between 150 to 2 p.m. is just one, then I'm allowing the user to order another pizza. So first what I'm doing is I'm getting the window size, which is 2 p.m. minus the window size, let's say 10 minutes. 2 p.m. minus 10 minutes will give you 150 p.m. That's the window start time, which is this. And now what I'm doing is I'm getting the number of requests which was made and which was stored in this map by simply sending the using the get of the map, and I'm sending the IP address. And now I'm filtering the requests which are not in this timestamp of 150 p.m. to 2 p.m. For example, let's say a user has made a request at 1:49 p.m. and 1:51 p.m., 1:55 p.m. and 2 p.m. So now we are the ones which are valid is 1:51 p.m. and 1:55 p.m. and 2 p.m. the current request say. So this function helps me to consider only requests which are made in this 1:50 p.m. to 2 p.m. timestamp, because let's say the timestamp at this point is 1:49 p.m. which is not greater than the 1:50 p.m. so that will be filtered out and will not be present in the valid request, but the other two requests of 1:51 and 1:55 will be present in this valid request array. Now I'm checking if the length of this is greater than the maximum request. Let's say the length of it is here 2 and the maximum request is also 2, then I'm sending, yeah, you have ordered the maximum number of pizzas which we are allowing for user of in time of 10 minutes, so please try again after some time. Or let's say he have ordered only one pizza in the time span of 1:50 p.m. to 2 p.m. then yeah, you can order another pizza. So what I'm doing is I'm pushing the new request into the valid request array, and I'm storing it in the map, and then I'm just returning the next. Instead of returning from here, I'm using the next so that it will be handled in the next handler. So this is the main server.js file, and I'm importing the configurations like .env for the port, and I'm taking the Express app, and I'm using the rate limiter middleware which we have written in the middleware slash rate limiter file which I just showed, and I'm importing here, and I'm using it here as a middleware. As you can see, app.us, which allows us to use the middleware, and I'm passing this rate limiter, and then so whenever you make a request, this middleware is activated, and this middleware is called, and this middleware is checked. So we enter here, and for now I kept 1 minute, and the maximum request which user can make in 1 minute is 2. So that is handled here, and if it's valid, then okay, I can order pizzas, or else no. So for a quick demo, let's say I'm ordering a pizza now. Okay, so I'm ordering a pizza, and you can see that we are getting thanks for ordering pizza. Now I'll put another request, and you can see that it says thanks for ordering pizza. But now if I send another request, it's you are not allowed to do that, because we have made the maximum number of requests, and you can see that for ordering next pizza you should wait for 42 seconds, 36 seconds, 35 seconds. So that's all. This is a simple way of implementing the rate limiting express. Hope you liked it. Thanks, Connects.